Hi everybody, it's Derek here. Today I have with me this endangered species brand of chocolate bar, raspberry flavored, 72% cocoa dark chocolate, 3 ounce bar. This is the nice wrapper it comes in. Here's the nutrition facts label on the side, tells you everything you need to know. Ingredients list at the bottom, best by date further down. Very handy. Flip it over, and inside the wrapper, you get some fun facts and everything else about this company and the good that they do with protecting endangered species. Social media links at the bottom. You can pause to read any of this you want. It's actually pretty fascinating. And as for the actual chocolate bar, you have it right here in this nice gold wrapper, just like in Willy Wonka. Open it up. Here's what the chocolate looks like. You have imprints of the company logo on the chocolate bar in each square. You have specks of raspberry all throughout. This is a very tasty chocolate bar. I love the dark chocolate taste, and the raspberry just enhances it even more. I like this a lot. Try it out. It's a good brand of chocolate to have.